Hi guys, today I'm sharpening my nephew's Rat 3, and I want to show you something in regards to using an angle gauge with your Edge Pro that you may have been overlooking. So let's dive into it. First, let's lay some groundwork. The markings on the apex pivot shaft are marked in relation to the stone and the blade table. There are markings at 10, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27 degrees. The angle is set when the top of the pivot block is lined up with the bottom of the colored mark. Let's get to using your angle gauge with the full flat grind knife. As I mentioned before, the angle markings are made in relation to the blade table and the sharpening stone. But when you lay a full flat grind knife on the table, you are now introducing another element into the equation because the knife itself will naturally lay at an angle. So here's how you use your angle gauge to put a specific angle on a full flat grind knife. In this example, I want to put a 21-degree edge on this knife. The first step is you're going to zero your angle gauge. Next, you're going to lay your knife down on the same surface and measure the angle of the knife. When you measure the angle of the knife, you're actually measuring the angle of both sides of the knife. So you're going to take the number from your angle gauge and divide it by 2. In this example, the knife measures 4 degrees. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. I need to add 2 degrees to the angle setting. Now I'm set at 23 degrees, but I'm actually sharpening at 21 degrees. Now, I just want to say for the record that I personally don't use an angle gauge very often when I'm sharpening knives. There's nothing wrong with using an angle gauge, but I prefer to just set the angle with a felt tip marker most of the time. And I don't get too hung up on sharpening a knife at a very specific angle. Make sure you guys check out our website. If you have any questions, comment below or pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks for watching.